Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tommy and today we're going to be doing a baking tutorial. Okay, to start off we're going to be using some MAC Fix Plus. This is actually in the scent lavender. They recently came out with a scented Fix Plus, which I am living for. I absolutely love this. We're just going to use this to prime our face and get ready for some foundation. It smells so good. I absolutely love it. Okay, to get everything ready, I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. This is in the shade 110. I absolutely love this foundation. It's inexpensive, great coverage, and I use it every single day. As you can see, we have a lot of red spots today. My skin is not a happy camper. We're going to fix that. Next we're going to be going in with our beauty sponge like we usually do and just dabbing out the foundation and making sure it's all blended out. Okay, now that we have everything pretty much where we want it, I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Ghost, because...
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
You know. Anyways, I will be pouring some out into this lid right here, so I can show you what we're going to be doing. And today, for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going with a very, very aggressive bake. You don't have to do that unless you have very oily skin or you're planning on a very long day and you want your foundation to last perfectly the entire day. Next, we are going to be making sure that everything is blended pretty seamlessly when we're gonna bake. I always have to end up baking my forehead. Pretty much what baking is. Hey Siri, define baking.
As a verb, it means cook food by dry heat without direct exposure to a flame, typically in an oven or on a hot surface. Do you want to hear the next one?
Nah, I'm fine. Pretty much what baking is putting a translucent powder over your foundation. And what it does is it traps the heat between your skin and the foundation with that loose powder, and it actually cooks the foundation using your own body heat onto your skin. And what that does is it mattifies the foundation and it makes it last all day without creasing, wrinkling, you know, getting patchy, all that good stuff. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go in with a clean beauty sponge and we're just going to dab right into the setting powder. It's going to look like that, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dab it on my problem areas, which is everywhere. Okay, and then I'm going to be going in with some concealer. I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Beige, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes like I normally would. This is the other part that I do an aggressive bake on just to keep everything in place. Now that the under eye concealer is blended out, we are going to go in with the same beauty sponge into the setting powder, and we're just going to set that under eye, and we're going to use the pointy end, and we're just going to start at the inner corner, and we're just going to tap that on. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is, obviously I only did half my face. You're like, Tommy, why the hell did you only do half your face? Well, because I want to show you the difference after about 30 minutes. I'm going to be wiping off the bake and I'll leave this side just putting on the foundation without anything to set it, and we're gonna see what the difference is when I come back. Hi everyone, I am back. It has been a couple minutes and I think I am ready to wipe off my bake. So I'm going to be going in with the MAC 460 SE, just this fluffy brush right here. And I'm just going to be wiping off the translucent setting powder. Okay, and as you can see, I'm just going to get really, really close. The side where I did not bake the foundation is already creasing. It's not even been 30 minutes. It's been like 15. On this side, of course, there is a little bit of a crease, but it's barely noticeable. It's not even close to being near as bad, and it's gonna last throughout the entire day. So yeah, that's pretty much what baking is. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I put out new videos every single Monday, and sometimes I just throw one up during the middle of the week. Yeah, who knows? Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.